All right, here's the fretboard printed in two pieces, and you see how there's a color change on the very last couple of layers, which are the frets themselves. And you can just make out the pattern that's on top of the fretboard. It's a really cool octagonal pattern that Prusa Slicer will put on. It just gives it this really kind of intricate design on the inside. Highly recommend something like that. You can also use the ironing feature, but of all the fretboards I printed, this is my favorite design. All right, fresh off the printer for the fretboard. So when you slice it with a color change so that the frets get their color. And you can see I used the circles on the side. I put those in with Prusa Slicer. I think it helps against warping. Now, I will typically actually go ahead and glue the fretboard together. You don't have to, but I find it just gives it a little bit more strength. It keeps it from the pieces from wiggling apart at the joint. But we will go ahead and just secure the rest of the fretboard in place. You could print covers for those, but I kind of think the screws look pretty cool. So we still have a few more things to do. I have the bridge to put on, the strings. Obviously we're going to paint it, the clear lacquer, but it's beginning to come together nicely. I can't wait to see how it looks